Here we have 2007 Honda Odyssey. There's a strange noise while you starting up the engine, and I will show you what it is. Just listen carefully. After this beeping ends, I will start it up. I will do it one more time just to listen to it again. I believe it is starter. I will replace it if the noise is going to be gone. I will record one more video after we replace the starter and see how it does. Let's crank it one more time. Listen carefully. Okay everyone, we finally replaced the starter. I'm gonna show you how it sounds now. And before you comment down below saying that, oh, you didn't show how to replace it, if you watch my videos, my channel is not about how to fix stuff. It's about diagnosing, and if you have any sound, anything weird, and I help you guys to figure out how to diagnose it instead of just replacing a bunch of parts. I've got more videos about these cars, and please subscribe and like the video, subscribe to the channel. And now I will show it to you how this old starter that I got from junkyard sounds like. I will do it one more time. Thank you for watching.